Turning and turning in the widening gyre. So, gyre is a spiral that expands outwards, almost like a cyclone in a sense. So, turning and turning in the widening gyre, the falcon cannot hear the falconer. Things fall apart, the center cannot hold. Turning and turning, actually this refers to the image of continuity. Ing is repeated, which refers to the image of continuity. Firstly, it denotes the movement in a circle around a central point, which anticipates the notion center. Secondly, turning can also be used here in the sense of to change direction. This resonates with Yeats' conception of history as two intersecting cones or gyres that move in opposite directions, whereas one gyre widens over a period of 2000 years, the other narrows. The process then reverses after another 20 centuries have passed, producing a cyclic pattern throughout time. The poem begins with the image of a falcon flying away from its human master. The falcon, turning in a widening gyre, that is spiral, cannot hear the falconer. The falcon has gotten itself lost by flying too far away. The falconer, who has trained his bird to return, is now unable to summon the bird, which cannot hear the cry to return home. This image of the falcon and the falconer can be seen as a reference to the collapse of traditional social arrangements in Europe and also a metaphor for the encroaching disorder, chaos, and disintegration. Falcon also symbolizes the intellect, that is, science and technology and rationalism is too much with us and leading us to wholesale annihilation. As a result, there is violence and bloodshed all sides. Technology developing beyond mankind's ability to control it. Falconer symbolizes the spiritual and emotional makeup of man. Things fall apart, the center cannot hold. Mere anarchy is loosed upon the world. So things fall apart. Here, the poet announces that things fall apart, the center cannot hold. Things fall apart because the center cannot hold. The fact that the center no longer function but lose hold signals an omnibus message of doom. Things split, disintegration takes place. So this is the gyre. The gyre widens over a period of 2000 years. The another one is the narrow bottom, and here you can see the widening, and again here the narrow bottom and the widening. So one gyre widens over a period of 2000 years, the another narrows. So this is the reversal order of the process, producing a cyclic pattern throughout time. So this is the diagram gyre. And now we are moving into the next part of the first stanza. Mere anarchy is loosed upon the world. The blood dimmed tide is loosed, and everywhere the ceremony of innocence is drowned. So, universe